Hello everybody, welcome to our video series introducing the Magicycle e-bike. In this video we are going to be introducing all of the components that you will get in your box, and we'll be showing you how to assemble your new Magicycle e-bike. Okay, so in your box you will also have a smaller box containing a number of accessories and gifts. So let's take a quick look at what we have inside. Firstly, you'll have your Magicycle owner's manual, setup instructions book, and you'll also have a thank you letter from our team. We have the Magicycle black cap. You also have a complimentary bike lock, very important to keep your bike safe. We have a toolkit which will help you to assemble your bike, all the tools that you need to put the pieces together. This is your headlight that will be attached to your bike frame. We also have a bike alarm which is also complimentary. We have your pedals to attach to your bike, and we have a bag and phone holder for your bike, and finally you have your Magicycle electric bike charger. Okay, so first thing you need to know are that there are three packaging protectors for the bike that are not actually part of your completed bike assembly. That's this piece here. This is protecting the front forks. You've also got this piece here protecting your brake discs, and at the back you've also got one protecting your rear gears. Okay, next you want to remove all of the plastic zip ties. So first we need to take the 5mm wrench. You'll find that in your toolkit, and you want to loosen these two screws here. Don't take them all the way out, just loosen and loosen this one so that you are able to turn this 180 degrees to be facing forwards. You want to make sure that that is straight, and once it's straight, retighten these screws. Okay, so take your handlebars, and you'll see that you have this ribbed section here. That should go into the placement holder here, just like so. And you want to make sure that your gears are on your right side and your speed control device is on the left side. So once that is in position, you can take your bracket, place that back on, align up the the 4 holes. Okay, so we've loosely put the 4 screws into their places, but before we tighten these screws, we want to adjust the handlebars to a comfortable riding position for yourself. So everybody's a little bit different. You need to find what feels comfortable for you. So that feels about right for me. Now I'm happy with that. I'm going to tighten these screws until I can't turn them any further. So they are as tight as I can get them. And that will lock my handlebar in the correct riding position. Right, next we're going to install the front tires. So first, let's remove this plastic protector for your disc brake. You don't need that. We'll also remove the fender. We'll install that afterwards. So we need to release the skewer handheld lever. You can hold the nut at the back, undo and remove. Now be careful because there are also two cone springs. Okay, so make sure you don't lose those, you'll need those later. Remove this plastic washer, we don't need that. Then carefully remove this plastic protecting, you don't need that. Lift up your forks, align the screws up, align your disc brake, good. Then you can take your skewer and insert through the wheel, replace your spring cone. The smaller end on both sides should be facing into the tyre and the larger side should be outside. And the larger end is on the outside, and if you feel it become tighter, you can then close the handheld skewer lever. And that's your tyre attached. Check the brake works. Good. Now you can attach the fender or the mudguard if you're from the UK, and this is fairly simple to attach. You have 2 screws either side for these holes, and you have a screw here at the top for this here. So there are 3 places where you need to attach this. The first place is down here. So you can use your 4mm wrench to open. Insert, reinsert the screw, and tighten. Okay, so before we attach the last screw for your fender, we're also going to take this opportunity to install the headlight. I've removed the screw that you'll find here. Now, first, place it through the headlight, then through the fork, and then through the fender. Attach the washer, and then attach the nut. And tighten. Hold the nut in place whilst you tighten. Take the cable and the other cable and attach. There we go. And you can remove the plastic protection for your headlight. So next, we're going to install the 2 pedals. So carefully remove the packaging from your pedals. You'll see that the left and right pedal are marked on the pedals, which is quite important. So let's start with the left pedal. All you need to do is insert in and continue to turn. To the right side, use, yes, the 18, no, 16. Now, you'll notice at the front, you have your Magicycle keys. You want to take good care of these. So now I'm going to show you how to detach and reattach your Magicycle battery. So take your key, insert into the keyhole, turn, and it will unlock your battery, and you can simply lift straight out. So that's your Magicycle battery. It's portable, you can take that home to charge, or you can charge wherever you like, really. To reattach the battery, simply remove the keys. You can keep your keys in a safe place, usually your pocket. Insert the holes into the teeth here and simply push the battery back into place, and you will hear a click once it is locked into position. So just like that. To turn on your Magicycle, you want to press the on button here and hold. You'll see that your LED screen starts and your display opens, and you'll see that by turning the throttle, the bike rear wheels now begin to turn automatically.